she can't disguise. In a moment small and sweet, joy awakens in the beat. Gentle curve that breaks the gray, turning shadows into play. Warm and simple, bright and true, opening the world anew. Smiles that lift the heavy air, soft reminder someone cares. Bridging hearts from far and near, melting walls we didn't clear. Light that moves from soul to face, filling every empty space. Hope appears without a sound, changing everything around. Let the warmth begin to rise. See the world through softer eyes. Every smile a gentle start, reaching deeply in the heart.